iPhone not vibrating on calls fix. So if you're having issue is such that whenever you're receiving a calls but the iPhone is not vibrating, you can actually check your haptic feedback settings. So you can simply go to settings over here. Once you go to settings, you can simply select sounds and haptics, and from sounds and haptics you can see haptics. It's set to always play. So when you set this to don't play or play in silent mode or play in silent mode, something like that, your haptics, which means vibration, will not be enabled. So you have to make sure to select this option here that says always play, and you can also actually change your ringtone right in this case right over here, as you'll be able to find it. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can solve if your ringtone is not vibrating. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.